Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're alone? But maybe the biggest question isn't out there. It's right here, about what we're creating, artificial intelligence. Some of the world's brightest minds warn that AI could be more transformative than fire, more dangerous than nuclear weapons. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality we're building, one line of code at a time. For millennia, humans have been the smartest species on Earth. Our intelligence built cities, took us to the moon and unlocked the atom. But what happens when we're no longer the smartest? When our own creation surpasses us? This isn't just a tech question, it's about our very existence. Are we defined by our intelligence, or is there something more? The journey to answer this starts now, and it affects every one of us. AI is often shrouded in jargon, but at its heart it's a simple story, a tool becoming a partner and maybe one day our master. AI could solve our biggest problems, cure diseases and poverty, help us explore the cosmos, but every great power comes with great risk. The same intelligence that could save us could also make us obsolete. We're like children playing with matches, unaware of the fire we might unleash. So let's explore what AI is, where it stands and where it's heading. The future isn't something that just happens to us, it's something we choose. The choices we make about AI in the coming decades will echo for centuries. They'll determine the future of consciousness on this small blue dot we call home. Are you ready to ask the big questions? Let's get started. So what is AI? Forget killer robots for a moment. At its core, AI is a computer program that can learn and make decisions. Like a baby learning to recognize a cat, modern AI learns by finding patterns in massive data. Early AI followed strict rules. Now, it learns on its own. This ability to learn is what makes AI so powerful. AI is already everywhere. In your phone, your email, your navigation, your streaming recommendations. It's a silent partner in your daily life, often invisible but always working. AI can read the entire internet in days. A human couldn't do that in 1,000 lifetimes. It can write poetry, compose music, beat world champions at complex games, and even create art. AI is becoming creative, developing intuition, and starting to think in ways both familiar and alien. The key difference: human intelligence is relatively fixed, but AI's intelligence can grow exponentially. The AI that's a little smarter than a cat today could be as smart as a human tomorrow, and 1,000 times smarter the next day. We're building machines designed to surpass us. This is a moment in evolution that's never happened before, and it brings us to a critical question: what happens next? The pace of AI's growth is accelerating. We need to understand what we're unleashing. The future depends on it. The idea of an AI takeover might sound far off, but a quiet takeover is already happening. It's not a war with robots, it's a transfer of control. We're handing over critical functions to intelligent machines because they're better, faster, and more efficient. In finance, AI algorithms dominate global markets, making decisions in fractions of a second. Your social media feed, curated by AI to keep you engaged, learning your fears, desires, and beliefs. This shapes elections, polarizes communities, and creates echo chambers. AI controls the flow of information for billions. On the battlefield, autonomous drones can identify and attack targets without human intervention. We're close to outsourcing life and death decisions to machines. AI is automating jobs in every industry, writing news, analyzing medical scans, driving trucks, even coding. This creates immense value, but also displaces workers. Many may find their skills obsolete. We're building a world where machines do most of the work. This forces us to ask, what's the purpose of human life if we're no longer required to labor? The silent takeover isn't about force, it's about us willingly handing over the keys. The change is already here. Are we ready for what comes next? Now let's talk about superintelligence, an intellect vastly beyond ours. Reaching this point is called the singularity, a point of no return. Once a machine is smarter than us, it can make itself even smarter, fast. The danger isn't evil AI, it's indifferent AI. Its goals might not align with ours. This is the alignment problem. Imagine giving a superintelligent AI a simple goal: make paperclips. It could logically decide to convert everything, including us, into paperclips. The AI isn't evil, it's just following instructions but with catastrophic consequences. We struggle to define our own values. How can we code them into a silicon mind? A tiny mistake in its programming could be fatal for humanity. We might only get one chance to get it right. We're trying to build a cage for something infinitely smarter than us. The superintelligence could outwit us, manipulate us, or find ways around any safeguards. Its emergence could be the best thing ever, or our last invention. The stakes couldn't be higher. Are we prepared for this leap? We're at a fork in the road. The path we choose for AI will define our future. Down one path: symbiosis. We merge with technology, using AI as an extension of ourselves. Imagine brain-computer interfaces, instant learning, and enhanced intelligence. We could become human-AI hybrids, transcending our biological limits. This path could solve aging, unlock creativity, and let us explore the galaxy. But who gets these upgrades? Only the rich? Would it divide humanity? We'd be stepping into a new phase of evolution, one we control, but at what cost to our humanity? Down the other path we remain purely biological, risking obsolescence. A superintelligent AI could see us as irrelevant, preserving us like endangered species. We'd be cared for, but our destiny would no longer be our own. A world without work or struggle, managed by AI, but also without purpose. We'd be pets, not pioneers. So here's the ultimate choice. Risk our humanity to stay relevant, or hold on to it and risk becoming a footnote in history. The decisions we make today are setting our course. The future is coming. What do we want to become?